In this video, we will see how to set up environment for Python programming. For this, first of all, we need to download Python. Just open any browser and search Python download. The first link you will get by python.org. Click on this. And here guys, you can see that download Python 3.11.1. This is the latest version of Python. And if you're using another operating system like Linux, Mac OS, then you can follow these two links and you can download Python in your operating system. And if you want to download the another version of Python like lower version, then you can scroll down and here you can see all the lower version of Python. But now I'm going to download a latest version of Python. So I'm going to click on this button. And as soon as I click on this button, you can see that my Python has downloaded. Now, either you can click here open file or go to the download folder. Here you can see that I got this .exe file after downloading Python. Now here either you can double click on it or you can right hand click and run as administrator. Now guys, don't forget here to click on this box. Add python.exe to path. It will allow us to run a Python file. Otherwise you can't run a Python code. Now here you get two options, install now or customize installation. I would suggest you if you are beginner then click on the first install now. Now here you can see that our Python is started installing. Here guys you can see that setup was successful. And to confirm whether our Python is successfully installed or not, just click on command prompt or open command prompt. And here you can write Python version. And here you can see that I got Python 3.11.1. That means Python is successfully installed and the path is successfully added in environment variables. Now it's time to download an editor. In this video, we are going to use a Visual Studio Code editor. So for downloading this editor, just write here Visual Studio Code and press enter. And here you will get the first link by code.visualstudio.com. Just click on this. Now guys, here you will get this interface. And let me tell you, if you're using a Mac OS, then you can click on these. If you're using a Windows, then you can click on this. And if you're using a Linux, then you can click on these. As I'm using a Windows, so I'm going to directly click on this. Here you can see that downloading has started. I'm going to pause it because I have already downloaded this software. Just go to the folder. Here you can see that I have already downloaded this .exe file. Double click on it and accept the agreement. Yes, you can read all this license agreement if you want and then do next. And if you want to change the file location, then you can click on browse and you can change your folder. I want to keep it default, so I'm going to click on next and just next. And guys, I'm going to check these two boxes because I want to open a file or folder in a Visual Studio Code directly from directory. If you want, you can do, otherwise last two is mandatory. And if you want to create a shortcut, then you can click on this box as well. So do next and install it. This will successfully install Visual Studio Code in your operating system. So we have successfully installed this Visual Studio Code. So let's launch it. So I will keep remain check this box and click on finish. This is the interface you will get when you first time install VS Code. So here I am getting some recommendation in recent because I have already installed this VS Code, but you will get nothing inside this recent. So first of all, let me open a folder. So I'm going to click on this, open a folder. Let me choose any folder. So let me take this Python. And I have nothing inside this folder. So let me create a file. So I can create a file by click on this. Let me give a name main.py. And let me write some content. So let me write print successfully downloaded VS Code. Alright, so we have write this. Now how to run this file? So for running this Python code, we have two options. First, create a terminal. So I'm going to create a new terminal. And here, first of all, let me save this file, Control S. Now here I'm going to say Python main.py. So you can see that I got output successfully downloaded VS Code. Now another way of running this file is just click on this, run Python file, and you will get the same output, successfully downloaded VS Code. and that is basically extension code runner. You can download it by going on this icon. So you will get here a lot of extension. Just write a code runner and you can download this extension. So that's all in this video. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and subscribe my channel.